Healing is about mind, body, and spirit, done in community. For the last 4 years, we've been kind of on this mission of trying to bring full spectrum care, high touch, highly affordable, full spectrum healthcare to the community that we live and work in. I'm Dr. Klein. I'm a family physician and obstetrician and founder of the Healing Grove in Solano. We didn't start it because the American healthcare system is broken, but we absolutely see it that way. I think it's a moral problem in our country that we aren't able to provide the type of care that our citizens need. And I say it's a moral problem because we could. We just have decided not to through the way our institutions are set up. And so we have a nameless, faceless lack of relationship with a system. You don't have a relationship with a person. We really started our practice because we had a calling. I spent 29 years in the Air Force as a full spectrum family physician, combat deployments to Afghanistan, Iraq, Somalia. I was an ICU physician in Iraq. I was a search and rescue doc in Afghanistan. I had a really cool mission as the Surgeon General for the American contribution to the Israeli Defense Force. With smaller deployments to places like Haiti, I was able to participate in a response to an earthquake in Haiti. We're in a small community and they had set aside a space for us, and I'm actually under a tree seeing a little girl, and she had a problem with her feet. I go over there and I kneel down and I'm pouring bottled water on her feet and just washing her feet. It struck me so deeply. What is she thinking? Here is this crazy American pouring this precious clean water on my feet. And at that moment, this heaviness came over me and I knew I was in the presence of Jesus. I think that was an experience for me that told me, people are worth it. I want to serve Jesus. And so those two things kind of come together in my practice because, when I'm with a patient, I see Jesus and I want to do everything that I can, to relieve their suffering. People who are going to be attracted to our services are people who want relationship, people who want to be seen, people who want to be heard, people who want good access to their physician and their healthcare team. This is a type of practice where the focus is on the human being in front of us. We spend as much time or as little as needed to address the problems. Concierge medicine is a way to practice medicine where the doctor-patient relationship comes first. You get my cell phone number, we communicate with each other, we spend whatever time that we need to in order to get to the bottom of what's going on in your life, whether it be mind, body, or spirit. I think it's a very small investment in something that's very important in your life.